Here we are at the Mackenzie Falls walk. We're going to go down to see the actual falls, which we can hear in the background, so that's really good. And then we're going to do the walk down to the fish falls. This walk is only how many meters, Nicola?
635 meters.
Just only a couple of 100 meters into the walk and we had that fantastic lookout. But as we look down to the bottom of Mackenzie Falls, I've accidentally told the family that this is probably one of our easiest walks we're going to have. But after looking at the stairs we've got to get back up and the hill we're going to have to climb right at the end, it may not be an easy walk at all. This is awesome. We're sitting at the base of the falls and we're just getting windswept by the water flowing off the falls itself. And now we're off to Fish Falls, which is only just a 1.4 kilometer walk just down the path. And here we are, we've made it to Fish Falls. Now let's see if it was worth the extra 20-minute walk down here. And there we go, what do we think of Fish Falls? Nah, it's not Fish Falls. Here we go to Fish Falls now. Now we've made it to Fish Falls. Here we are at Fish Falls, and as you can see you've got the main waterfall going down there, you've got a smaller little one over here and a nice medium-sized one up there. The only problem with the site, very hard to take a photo without jumping in the water to get wet. Is it really worth the walk here? Well, probably not too much after staying so close to Mackenzie Falls and getting the spray there and keeping nice and cool. What's this? Secret passage down. Let's have a look what's down here. This extra little passage has definitely boosted up this waterfall. And if you end up coming down here, you've got to come find that little secret passage to get to the top level, because this is a great spot to sit at and enjoy the waterfall. Oh my gosh, those steps, they just kept going and going and going. As we start getting closer to Mackenzie Falls, it starts getting a lot cooler, because over there in the bush section and in the sun, it was very, very hot and humid, and we were sweating like crazy walking down there. We've just had a brief stop off at the Mackenzie Falls base on our way back from Fish Falls to kind of have a bit of a relax, because that walk was so hot and humid down to Fish Falls. But now we've got these stairs to get up. Here we are back at the car. That was a big walk, and here I was thinking it was just going to be a nice and easy one, but I think adding the Fish Falls walk to it made it just a lot longer, and the humidity down there was very hot. The weather report today actually said showers and a top of 18 degrees, but down there it felt like about 26-28 degrees, especially when walking out in the sun. We're just sweating like crazy. We're gonna have to go home and have a shower each. How crazy is that? We were just leaving the car park when we see just a wild emu just walking around. Fantastic! Yeah!